Hi students, good morning everyone. Now we are going to revise one words from chapter 3 and chapter 2. Now first exercise 3.1 objective type questions. Question number 15. Discount is subtracted from dash to get SP. Options are MP, CP, loss, profit. What's our answer? It is market price, that is MP. Next, question number 16. Overhead expenses is always included in dash. Options are SP, CP, profit, loss. Overhead expenses is always included in CP, that is cost price. So option B is correct answer, that is CP. Next, question number 17. There is no profit or loss when option A CP equal to SP, option B CP greater than SP, option C CP less than SP, option D MP equal to discount. When there is no profit or loss, when we have a CP equal to SP. When CP equal to SP, there is no profit or loss. So our solution is option A, CP equal to SP. Next, question number 18. Discount equal to MP minus dash. Discount equal to MP, here minus. MP minus. Discount equal to MP minus SP. Our answer is SP. Clear? Next, chapter 3, question number 1. It is two questions inside the questions. Question number 1. Arrange in ascending order. First one, CP, MP, discount. Second one, MP, SP, discount. Here, first subdivision, which one is higher? We know that MP is higher. So, I will explain. See, when the article is bought from the seller, that price should be CP. Okay, then they will mark the price which is higher than CP in order to get profit. Then from this MP, they will give some discount. So, compared to CP, our market price is high. Our market price is high. So, in this order, ascending order, market price will be the final one. Okay. Next, we have to check CP and discount. Always CP is higher than discount. Discount will be small amount from the market price. So, discount is less than CP, which is less than MP. That is first answer. Okay. Discount less than CP, less than MP. In same way, here, which one is higher? Our market price is higher. Our market price is higher. So, discount, after the discount, we have SP. So, what will be the order? Discount less than SP, less than MP. Okay. So, this is the ascending order. Discount is smallest unit. After that, SP. After that, MP. Clear? Next, question number 2, inside questions. Which is greater, SP or MP? We know that after the discount from MP, SP will be, therefore, which one is greater? MP is greater than SP. Okay. Next, chapter 2, exercise 2.2. So, this is diagram based questions. They have given diagram, we have to say time in two ways. One is the word verbally, how could we read that one. Another one is the exact timing, 10:45 minutes. In that way, exact timing we have to say. So first subdivision, the timing is 10:15 hours, or else quarter past 10, or else 45 minutes to 11. 15 minutes past. So what we have to say, quarter past 10. Okay, after the 10, quarter past. So quarter past 10, or else 45 minutes to 11. Okay, in second subdivision, 6:45 hours it is, or else it will be quarter to 7. To move to 7, it have 15 minutes. So quarter to 7, or else 45 minutes past 6. Third subdivision, 4:10 hours, or else 10 minutes past 4, or 50 minutes to 5. So next one is 3:30 hours. So simple, 30 past 3 or 30 minutes to 4. Half past 3. 30 minutes past 3 or else half past 3. We can say either any method. Next fifth one, it is 9:40. So 9:40 hours. So 20 minutes to 10 or else 40 minutes past 9. Okay. So next question number 2, match the following. So I will show the answer. 9:55 means 5 minutes to 10. It will be 5 minutes to 10. 11:50, 10 minutes to 12. 4:15, quarter past 4. 7:45, quarter to 8. Next 2:20, 20 minutes past 2. Okay. Next, objective type questions in exercise 2.2. First question number 16. 2 days equal to dash hours. We know that 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 2 day equal to 48 hours. Our answer is 48 hours. Okay. Next question number 17. 3 weeks equal to dash days. So 1 week equal to 7 days. So 3 weeks equal to 3 into 7. It is 21 days. Clear? Next, question number 18. Number of ordinary years between 2 consecutive leap year is, how many ordinary years will be between 2 leap year? It will be 3 years, because the 4th year will be leap year. Okay, so between 2 leap year we have 3 ordinary years. We have 3 ordinary years. So number of ordinary years between 2 consecutive leap years is answer 3 years. Next question number 19. What time will it 5 hours after 22:35 hours? 22 hour 35 hours 35 minutes it will be. So what will be the time? So we have to add with 22. It will be 23, 24. After 24, 1 we have to. So 1, 2, 3. So there is no change with the minutes. So we have to change hours alone. If you add means it will be 3:35 hours. Okay. Next question number 20. 2.5 year is equal to dash month. 2.5 year. 2 years. 1 year equal to 12 month. 2 years equal to 24 month. Am I right? 1 year equal to 12 month. 2 years equal to 24 month. This half year equal to 12 by half. Half of the 12 is 6 years. Okay. So 2 years 24 plus 6, it will be 30 month. How many month we have totally? 2.5 year is equal to 30 month. Clear? So the answer is 30. Option 2 is the answer.